Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. In this video, we will see about the text shadow. So in the previous video, we have seen the text transform property. So in this video, we are going to cover the text shadow. Okay. So text shadow property is like if you want to add any shadow for the text means you can use the text shadow property. That property is there, you can use it. So let's see the with the hands-on practice. Okay, so that I have already one file is there, that is text.html. In this itself, we are going to cover. Okay, so let me add text shadow here. Okay, so what I'll do, if I use like only one value, for example, I'm using the one pixel. So what happens? So if I'm trying to use only one value means it will not apply. So at least it requires a two values to apply. Okay, so what I'll do here, let me give a little bit more compared to that one. Okay, and 5 pixel. So what happens here? So it will apply the water text shadow. And again, if I add another value, what happens? Okay, so let's see. So it can be blur. So one is like x-axis, another one is a y-axis, another one is a z-axis. So if I give the z-axis, it will make the blurriness of that. For example, another value if I add. Okay, so whether it will apply or not. Okay, so let's see. So it will not apply. Only three values I can apply for that. Okay, so means only like 3D values like x-axis, y-axis, and the z-axis. Horizontal, vertical, and the like another one is z-axis. You can use it. So if you want to particularly make it as the text shadow, you can use the text shadow property. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand what is the text shadow property and how to apply the text shadow. So in the coming videos, we'll see with the more CSS property. So until this, if you like this video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for the more videos. Thank you for watching it, guys.